Introducing the Prowler, a power-packed, heavy-duty, seamless man-sized vibrating probe from the Colt line of toys for men. Another exciting pleasure product only from California Exotic Novelties. This smooth, seamless vibrating probe is built big and strong. The Prowler has a man-sized secure grip handle with powerful multi-speed vibrations. Sleek, glossy, and adorned with a silver decor ring and silver-capped bottom, it's designed for sturdy use and probing play. The Prowler is waterproof for fun in or out of the water. To begin exploring the Prowler, remove the bottom control cap with a counterclockwise twist. Insert 2 new AA batteries with the plus ends first. Then, replace the cap securely with a clockwise twist. To activate your power probe, simply twist the bottom dial until you find your preferred level of intense vibration. The Prowler is made from safe and pure, durable, and easy-to-clean ABS plastic. Its seamless design measures 6 1/4 inches of insertable pleasure with a generous 1.5 inch girth. The ring and cap decor are made from metallic plated ABS. The Prowler delivers satisfying waves of powerful, stimulating action, alone or with a partner. For maximum pleasure, always use a water-based lubricant or California Exotic Novelties brand Universal Lube. Clean the Prowler before and after each use with mild soap and warm water, or use our preferred California Exotic Novelties Universal brand toy cleaner. Remember to remove the batteries when not in use to preserve their life and to maintain peak performance of your unit. Enjoy the power, strength, and pure pleasure of this sleek, seamless, vibrating man-sized probe. It's available in black or red. Another outstanding Colt Gear product, the most trusted name for pleasure toys, made for men, by men. Only from California Exotic Novelties.